Hey coders! Today we're diving into Spring Boot, the framework that's revolutionizing Java development. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by Java config files or dreaded setting up new projects, this video is for you. Think of Spring Boot as your personal development assistant. You know how setting up a Java project can feel like preparing for a space mission? Spring Boot changes all that. Traditional Spring framework is like building a car from scratch. You need to assemble every single part. Spring Boot, it's like getting a car with everything pre-installed, and you just need to customize what you want. Let me show you something mind-blowing. With just a few clicks in Spring Initializer, you can have a fully functioning application skeleton. No XML configuration, no server setup, just pure development focus. Look at this difference. The same functionality, but Spring Boot needs way less code. It's like having autocomplete for your entire project structure. Now, here's why Spring Boot is becoming the go-to choice for Java developers. First, it's opinionated. It makes decisions for you based on best practices, but you can always override them. Second, it's production ready with features like health checks and metrics built in. And third, it has an amazing community with tons of starter packages. Companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Google are using Spring Boot. If it's good enough for them, imagine what it can do for your projects. Ready to start your Spring Boot journey? Drop a comment below with your biggest Java development pain point. I'd love to show you how Spring Boot can solve it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to catch our next video where we'll build a complete REST API using Spring Boot.